welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I'm late. I had to do my hair. I had a lot of stuff going on, but my hair is done, so I'm back to filming content for you guys again. So this year we're going to be doing a lot of eyeshadow tutorials. So if you guys are interested in that, please go ahead and subscribe if you have already not subscribed. Very detailed eyeshadow tutorials. I will be doing some unboxings, some reviews, whatever. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful eye look. Let me come close so you guys can see. So if you guys are interested and want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. Again, Happy New Year. Welcome. So without too much talking, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so in this video, we're using a very old palette. I'm going to go ahead and base my lids, and I'm using the P.S. Louise base. I think this is in the shade number 5. Taking a concealer brush, you're going to go ahead and apply it all over your lids. It does not have to be, the P.S. Louise base. You can use any concealer or any eyeshadow base that you have. So you just want to go ahead and blend it out all over your lids. Make sure that it is blended perfectly. You want to start it from the bottom and then bring it up so that it blends in with the concealer that you use to clean your brows. So for today's look, I'm using this very old palette. I've had it for years when it first came out. This is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I don't even know what happened to that guy. I'm going to be using a lot of old palettes for these looks because I know you guys probably have the old ones and not the new ones. So I'm going to number each color that I'm going to use from 1 to however many. So if it's 5 shades that I use, it would be labeled 1 to 5. Okay, so taking the first shade, which would say 1, the one that says 1, I'm going to apply that all over my crease. You want to focus it in the middle of your eye, so your crease. You just want to take a small brush and pat that shade on. It's important that you pat and not swipe. So when you pat the shades on, you're basically building coverage. You're just trying to get the coverage that you want it. Sorry, you're just trying to get the coverage that you want. So the more shadow you apply, the more payoff or the more pigment it will be. Does that make sense? The more pigmented it will be, the more colors you pat on. So once that shade is on, we're going to take a fluffier brush and we're going to grab the color number 2, and we're going to place that on top of the first one, gently placing it and kind of like swiping it, very gentle and not a lot of product. When you pick up the product, you want to make sure you dust off the excess powder, and then like I just did, and then go in with the color and place it right on top. You want to blend it upwards and not down. When you blend it upwards, you're bringing the colors up, versus if you go down, you just be adding that second color to the first color. Then it's just a hot mess. Once that is done, we're going to take color number 3 and we're going to use that to blend that last color number 2. We're going to use it to blend it upwards, to kind of just blend it seamlessly into the skin whereby there's no harsh line. So you just want to, sorry y'all, the kids are home, it's a holiday, so y'all gonna be hearing them throughout my voiceover. But yeah, so we're taking color number 3, I believe, yes, and we're just going to use that to blend out color number 2 to make sure that the edges are blended perfectly into the skin and it just looks flawless. So once that is done, we're going to take color number 1 and we're going to place that in the outer corner of our eyes and just blend it in. What we're doing is we're actually just putting back whatever pigment was lost from all the blending activities that was going on. So once you build that back up and you get the pigmentation that you want, we'll move on to cutting the crease. Look at how beautiful that is blended. Ugh. So when it comes to cutting the crease, I'm going to use the same concealer that I used, or the same base that I used to set my lids. You can use whatever you want to use. You do not actually have to cut the crease. You can go ahead and just place the eyeshadow on there if that's easier for you. But I'm going to use this angle brush and I'm going to use that to kind of like carve out my crease, like how I want it to look. You want to make sure you're looking down at a mirror. Don't look up. Look down like I am doing. And then just follow that line right there. Just follow the line, guys. Don't go above it. Don't go below it. And also, you can start low and then kind of build it up to, how you want it to be. But cutting your crease, honestly, is all about placements and how high or how low you want that cut to be. Once you draw the line, then you can go ahead and apply the concealer below the line to kind of like just shape it up properly. Okay guys, so once that is done, we're going to take color number 1 and I'm sorry, is it color number 1? Yeah, we're going to start off with color number 1, place it in the outer corner, and then go in with color number 2. We're just trying to blend out the, not blend out, but I'm sorry, y'all. I'm cramping, so my brain is all over the place. Okay, so color number 2, we're going to use that, and we're going to apply that at the outer corner of the eyes, so that when we apply the shimmer, it kind of blends in seamlessly into the crease color without any harsh lines. Okay, so now going in with color number 4, we're going to place that on our lids from the inside coming out, but we're not going to bring it all the way out because we're going to place color number 5 at the end, because color number 5 is kind of close. It's like a shimmer version of our crease and outer lid color, so that will make everything blend in really nice. So we're just going to focus color number 4 on the inner part of our lids, and just look how gorgeous that color is. Once that is done, I'm going to take color number 5 and we're going to place that on the outer, or the space that we left out. That's where we're going to place that shadow to kind of just bring everything in. You can skip this step and actually place color number 4 all over the lids, and then kind of go back in with your fluffy brush that you use for your color number 2 to kind of just blend everything in. But I'm extra and I wanted that extra shimmer pop. So once that color is on there, I'm going to use the brush and just kind of like blend it in, like I am doing. I'm going to blend those two shimmer colors, not in, but you know, the edges, so that it's blended out like so. Look at, oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So next I'm going to take this gold liner. If you are somebody who don't have a good stamina and you can't do this, it's fine. You can skip it. But again, Madeline being extra, I'm going to go ahead and kind of, sorry, not kind of, I'm going to go ahead and place that glitter liner right on top of that crease color. So right between the crease and the oh God, I'm so sorry, y'all. The crease and the transition color, like so. It's so pretty. It gives it that extra pop, and the whole look, it just brings everything together. Next is eyeliner. I'm using the ABH liquid liner. It's a matte liner. I think everybody should know how to put on eyeliner, but if you don't know how to and you guys want me to do a more in-depth tutorial, you can leave that in the comment section and I will try and do it for you guys. I am not like the best eyeliner girl. Like I do what I can. You know, there's some people who can slay it and it looks beautiful. To be honest with you guys, I do what I can, you know, just because I create content and I am an influencer does not mean I know everything. So I'm just placing my eyeliner. After the eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and apply color number 1 and number 2 to my lower, well, I'm going to do my face. Then I'm going to apply those two colors to the bottom of my lash line, and then put on some mascara, my lashes, and then yeah, that's about it. Oh, and the lower line liner, eyeliner, right? Yeah. It's so confusing, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that is it, guys. I am feeling myself because the whole thing turned out so pretty. This is a look that I've actually done before when I first started this content creation thing, journey, thingy majingy. It's a very, very, very old video, and the first one was a hot mess. Well, kind of. So I wanted to kind of recreate. I'm going to be recreating a lot of my old looks. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish off my look, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how everything turned out. So that's it, guys. This is the final look. I love it. I think it's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Also, give me ideas of colors that you would like for me to do, or what type of looks that you guys would like for me to do. I'm so excited. I am so, so excited for this year. Yeah, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section and I will get to them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.